How to divide objects in Illustrator.
Nice!
Knife tool. This tool allows you to cut shapes or paths freehand. You can use it to cut an object in half or in any way you like. Dividing objects in Illustrator has never been easier, and I'm about to show you the simplest method that will change your design game. Type 2 words dividing object with the help of Type tool. While choosing the font, make sure that the text is a little long so that the effect we want to show here is easily visible. Create outlines of both words and align them so that they are in the middle of the paste. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of slicing shapes and paths, giving you the ability to create complex designs with ease. Discover tips and tricks for mastering the knife tool, and see real-time examples that will enhance your workflow. Now we need a duplicate copy of these words, for which we will hold Shift and Alt keys on the keyboard. And a duplicate copy will be extracted by dragging with the mouse. Let's start with our main task for which we have created this tutorial. Select the above word with the help of Selection tool. And with the help of Knife tool we'll cut it in the middle. Similarly, we will do the same process with the word below. And we'll group them separately. Here again, we will hold down the Shift key and the Alt key on the keyboard so that the knife tool cuts straight. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to manipulate objects creatively and efficiently in Illustrator. Don't forget to subscribe for more design tutorials and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now we are going to use colors in it. Use two colors in the same word so that their shade can be seen prominently. Explore my YouTube channel for a wealth of Illustrator and Photoshop tutorials. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, you'll find valuable tips, tricks, and techniques that can elevate your creative skills. Dive into my videos and discover new ways to bring your design ideas to life. Now we will use the Shear tool. The Shear tool in Adobe Illustrator allows you to slant or skew an object along a specified axis, creating a distorted perspective effect. It's particularly useful for adding a sense of depth or motion to your designs. You can shear objects either horizontally or vertically, giving you control over the angle and direction of the transformation. This tool is great for creating dynamic shapes, stylized text, or adding a unique twist to your illustrations. You can see how we transformed the word using the Shear tool. By altering its angle, we introduced a dynamic shift that adds a new dimension to the design. The simple change in angle significantly enhances the beauty of the word, giving it a fresh and striking appearance. This transformation doesn't just alter the shape but also creates a subtle ripple effect, adding movement and depth to the text. The word now carries a more engaging and visually appealing look, all thanks to the power of the Shear tool. You can choose the colors as per your wish. Better would be to use two different shades of the same color. Be a light shade. And the other is the dark shade. Thus, this combination will produce a better effect. When our color work is done, the duplicate copy that we have placed below, which is black in color, will be placed below this design. How we have beautifully transformed the words into a perfect embossed effect. It was very easy. You must have understood. You must try it and share it with me. Thank you. Please like my channel, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching the video. Wait for my next video.